£4.96p.
Really? Well,
We spent £4.96p on this. You picked out the ingredients.
yes, I did.
We're going to look through all of these ingredients and decide what we're making is going to be a hot meal. So one by one, we'll see what we've actually got here, why we picked it, and see what meal we end up making from this. It will be a hot meal. So if we look at option number 1, so we got a tin of beans.
Baked beans for 25 pence.
Yes, I've already opened this because it needs an opening tool to open it, and we've got a little selection of it there. So that's going to be option number 1. We're not including the heating costs and food related making costs in this. However, what was the most expensive thing we bought?
The most expensive thing, I think it has to be either chocolate milkshake or the baguette itself.
What was the one thing that we brought and then we put back and swapped because it was too expensive?
Cheese.
Yes.
Okay, cheese has gone very expensive now.
The one we bought was £2.45 for like a block. However, we just discovered that, you know what, cheese, we don't need that much of it for what we're doing. So we've got slices here, and these were cheaper because this was £1.39.
£1.39.
So we got slices of cheddar, which you'll see what we're making in a second. So it's a meal preparation idea if you're thinking about it. So far we've got beans, we've got cheese, which basically we had that on the jacket potato.
Yeah.
So that basically cost what, 25 pence and 1.39. So that's under £2
Just for two things.
two things, and they charge us 11.45 for that. And then we've got, not as a dessert but as an extra option, we've got chocolate milk. Do you want chocolate milk now while we're setting up?
Go on, make it. Oh, that's sick. That is insane.
So I have a glass there of chocolate milk. Do you want to give that a taste test? How's it looking?
You know when it's cold?
Oh my, damn delicious.
Yeah, full on.
Okay, so we've got a milkshake. There'll be a couple of portions in that actually, so it's more than one meal. And then we've got, what's this?
Baguette.
So why did we pick out baguette?
Because it was a baguette pizza.
We are making a pizza with a baguette.
It came in like packs of 10s and stuff, but
Yes.
we just wanted one, so we just got one.
Yeah, so 85p for one, but there's a pack of 5 for one.
About that
£1.89.
Yeah.
But then we wouldn't have known what to do with the extras, because then we just want to make this to show you one video. We don't want to spend too much. We also got dessert in this challenge.
Oh yes, so we got 2 desserts.
Yes.
Number 1, space.
Flying space sweets. You know, those little, remember these from back in the day? Morrison's had a special on.
I've had them one time only.
Oh, so it'd be interesting.
Insane, yeah.
Just hang about while we try those. You'll see how we feel about these. And we've also got an extra dessert.
Trifle.
Trifle, strawberry trifle. So it's like a nice little option there for you for trifling things up. So first up, we're going to prepare the food.
Okay.
So what do we need to prepare first?
The
baguette. We've got a bread knife. We're going to basically cut up the baguette as number 1. Now we will get 2 slices out of this.
Yeah, we will.
If you make big long slices, what we might do is cut it to the
center,
center,
in half now.
and then we can cut that in half and get 4 slices out of it. So that's like for a few people, really. Do you normally cut it all the way through, or do you leave it open?
All the way through.
Okay, so there like that.
Yeah.
So prepping up.
This is mine. That's yours.
I think.
What should we do?
Yeah. Okay. I like how you did that. That's yours, and you give me the. Yeah. Okay. I like that. So beans first or cheese first? That's the $1 million question. Does the
beans go first? Of course.
Really?
Yeah. When have you ever had?
You sure?
Cheese? Yeah, because then you put you put cheese on top of the beans for it to melt. And then
Yes, that's normally grated cheese. Okay. We've got cheese slices though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put this
so if you grab the spoon and start putting beans on your one. Be careful with that, it's going to be sharp.
Okay.
Yeah. So far we've got a baguette, and we're going to start putting beans on there. Do you like a lot of beans? Do you like less beans?
Less beans and more cheese.
Okay, interesting.
I'm going to go for a second round after this. Or is that enough?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's have a look. So I would normally go like...
Oh. Okay.
Just like to push them in so they don't... So you got spaces. You want to put any more beans on or no?
Put a bit more in this.
In the spaces?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I put like... Do you like more sauce or you like more beans?
More beans.
Okay, so I'll take the beans out of the sauce. These are very saucy. These are the cheaper ones. We did a special video about tasting, trying expensive versus cheap beans. So check that video out. We can put that in the card somewhere. And that was an exciting experiment because we find out if it's worth cheap or expensive. Okay, so cheese. So if you move it up here a bit, just so you can see. So if you open that up, right, put some hard and mashed mustard. Go for it.
Oh, that looks insane.
Okay, so how many slices do you want?
Okay, so do one, cut it in triangles. Cut it in half.
Okay, so that means we need to. Okay, so if we move those to one side on the end, move this here. So if I take out like two. Take out two, and then we can cut them into triangles.
Okay.
Okay, so there's the cheese. Go crossways here.
So how we just one
and then another one. And what we need to do is toast these. So if I go whack and then whack, so those will be toasted.
And then should melt on top of it.
Yes, and then we'll have toasted pizzas, beans pizzas. So now you'll join us back with that being done. So let's check that out. So as if by magic, we have done a little bit of grilling on that.
Yes, it looks absolutely dank.
The cheese has melted, and this is meal option 1. We have got desserts with it because you have your trifle, which you can eat afterwards, and you've got these flying sauces. Again, all of that, you'll see the price on screen for everything. £4.96, including the chocolate milk.
Yes.
So that's not a bad option. Now, are you ready for the taste test?
Go on.
You're gonna hit the first. I'll get tissue ready in case you dropped any beans down.
100%.
Okay, how does it taste? Oh, go for it. It should be alright. Might be hot. Be careful. How's that?
You know what? The cheese is absolutely nice.
Should I do a quick taste test? Okay, so luckily we were able to make 2 of these.
Not bad, you know.
This cheese is better. It's stretchy. Why is that? The normal one is not normally stretchy. Oh my god, that's nice. I'm glad you made that choice. Bite hard because the cheese is stretchy. And the baguette's nice and crunchy and soft.
I think we could have melted the cheese a bit more.
Yeah.
That's it. Other than that.
But normally we have grated. Yeah, so when we have grated, it melts and it doesn't stick, whereas this is like a piece. So you had the chocolate milk, you had the baguettes, you had trifle. You can try a spoon of trifle.
I think we try that first.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I'm going to open up the pack. Up here so we can see.
It's so light, that's the thing, like it's... Okay, well. Oh, it's different. Oh, wait, what?
Double solid colours.
I thought it comes. Okay. You can see that if you put it on the light, you can see the sugar.
Oh, yeah, powder. That's our, like a mini dessert.
Okay, ready. That's stuff. Oh, oh my days.
Like a burst of flavour. Sugary.
Not bad.
That was nice. Obviously, we got a dessert at the end of that as well. So that was a hot meal pizza challenge. Check out the next video here. We'll see you on that video.